back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury living meets architectural excellence. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking modern dream home that perfectly blends bold design, smart living, and timeless elegance. This is not just a house, this is a lifestyle statement. From the moment you arrive, the exterior makes a powerful first impression. Clean architectural lines, expansive glass panels, and a striking black, gray, and white color palette set the tone for what's inside. The driveway opens up to a beautifully designed front elevation that feels both modern and welcoming, framed by manicured landscaping and subtle lighting that highlights every detail during the day. As we step through the front entrance, you're greeted by a grand entryway that instantly elevates the experience. The high ceilings, sleek finishes, and carefully curated lighting create a sense of space and sophistication. Every element has been thoughtfully chosen to reflect luxury without overwhelming the senses. Moving into the main living area, this space is designed for both comfort and style. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light, seamlessly connecting the indoors with the outdoors. The black and gray tones are perfectly balanced with soft textures and warm lighting, creating a modern yet inviting atmosphere. This is the kind of living room where everyday moments feel extraordinary. Flowing naturally from the living space, the TV lounge offers a more relaxed environment, ideal for family time or entertaining guests. A statement media wall, ambient LED lighting, and plush seating make this room feel like a private luxury cinema, while still maintaining the home's elegant design language. Now let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. This open-plan masterpiece is where beauty meets functionality. Featuring sleek cabinetry, premium appliances, and a stunning island that doubles as a breakfast bar, this kitchen is built for both everyday living and high-end entertaining. The combination of black cabinetry, gray stone surfaces, and subtle white accents creates a clean, modern look that feels straight out of a luxury design magazine. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers a refined space for hosting unforgettable dinners. A bold dining table, designer lighting overhead, and an open layout make this space feel both intimate and impressive. Whether it's a formal dinner or a casual family meal, this area adapts effortlessly to any occasion. As we move upstairs, the attention to detail continues. The bedrooms are designed as private retreats, each offering generous space, soft lighting, and a calm, luxurious ambiance. The master suite truly stands out, featuring a grand sleeping area, elegant finishes, and large windows that bring in natural light while maintaining privacy. The bathroom feels more like a high-end spa than a typical ensuite. With premium fixtures, a freestanding bathtub, and a walk-in shower surrounded by sleek black and gray finishes, this space invites relaxation and comfort at the highest level. This home also includes a fully equipped gym, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the comfort of your residence. The gym features modern equipment, mirrored walls, and a clean, motivating atmosphere designed to inspire your daily routine. Stepping outside, the luxury continues. The swimming pool area is a true highlight, offering a resort-style experience right at home. Clean lines, dark tiles, and modern outdoor furniture make this the perfect place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the outdoors in complete privacy. To complete the experience, the garage is just as impressive as the rest of the home, designed to house luxury vehicles in a sleek, well-lit space that reflects the overall sophistication of the property. This stunning residence perfectly represents what we showcase here on American Dream Mansions: exceptional homes, world-class design, and the ultimate luxury lifestyle. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible property. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions, where dream homes become reality.